Hello friends, in this lecture we will see boundary drive method. So first of all I am going to define my workpiece. My part is this, and blank I am using zero point 0.4 offset from the part. Okay, and tool I am going to use a ball mill for this finishing operation. It is 30 and I am going to use 4. Okay, and fruit length, length and add holder. So select this holder from library, use this. Okay, okay, now go to this create operation and mill contour. I am using contour area. Program is my folder, ball mill is my tool, workpiece, and this is finishing operation. So first go to geometry and select area to cut. I want to cut this face. Okay, and from the main, go to this main. Here it is area milling option, so I want to change it. So go to this option, and from customize dialog box I want to add drive method, add, and down arrow, and I want this under this main. Okay, now I can change my drive method because this drive method is now available. See, drive method is area. I'm going to change this drive method to boundary. Okay, and select the drive geometry, and my drive geometry is curve, and change it to connected curve. So this hole will select. Create new boundary to add this one. So create new boundary, and my next boundary is this. Okay, and okay, and this is zigzag. Change it to follow periphery, and step over is 50%. So change it a little bit, like 40. Generate. See. So I can cut any specific area using this drive method. If you want to check, and go to this replay, play. Okay, stop. In 3D dynamic, okay, okay, and I can do one more thing. If I want to move my tool over this curve only, so okay, copy this and paste inside this workpiece, add it, double click over it, and now I want to change my drive method from boundary to curve. So change it to curve. Okay, and my curve is this, so select this connected, click. Okay, rest options are the same, just generate it, it will show you the result. Okay, now tool is working over the curve only. This is the projection of my curve, so tool path is over that projection. So hope you understand this option, boundary drive.